And this song is what?
To get paid for my time.
For my time. And that's going on Facebook.
We rehearse a lot.
We are.
Sometimes the rain falls on you.
Fear, that place is gone. All traces of doubt are blown.
Change, rearrange your point of view.
Leave, that place is mine. How dare you cross this line? Anything and everything in this world is relevant, so just accept it. Anything and anything, do what you gotta do and you will see it. Filter out the negative and you will see the light burn through your eyelids. Anything you gotta do what you gotta do to make you feel me.
Pain comes in life. You're alive. This is the prize.
Love, sticks and stones, right or wrong, until the end. What? You gotta deal with it. Deal with it, yeah. You got to deal. Deal with it. Deal.
Crashing waves fill the void.
It's real, it makes you feel dead skin to
Face obscurity that kill the noise.
take me for what I am. Tear through your issues now. Anything and everything in this world is relevant, so just accept it. Anything and anything, do what you gotta do and you will see it. Filter out the negative and you will see the light burn through your eyelids. Anything you gotta do what you gotta do to make you feel me.
Pain comes alive. You're alive. This is the prize.
Love, sticks and stones, right or wrong, until the end. You better deal with it.
Pain comes in life. You're alive. This is the prize.
Love, sticks and stones, right or wrong, until the end. You better deal with it.
Why does it seem that we have
To convince everybody that
we are who we are all the time, all the time? Why can't it just go down the way it does for everybody? Let's just be, let the light shine.
can you feel me? Let the light shine. Can you feel me?
Deal with it.
Let the light shine. Can you feel me?
Deal with it.
Let the light shine.
Light shine.
Can you feel me?
Deal with it.
Let the light shine. Right.
Pain comes in life. You're alive. This is the prize.
Love, sticks and stones, right or wrong, until the end. What? You better deal with it.
Pain comes in life. You're alive. This is the prize.
Love, sticks and stones, right or wrong, until the end. You better deal with it. Deal with it. You got to deal.
You got to
Deal with it. You got to deal.
You have to
Deal with it. Deal. Deal with it. Deal.
Yeah.
Last bit and then
Okay.
deal with it. Deal. Deal with it. Deal. Bender or just me start playing?
We were talking after the first song.
Probably no. We should just go on.
Just go right.
Never we get 3 beat on that.
Oh, right. Never lie, never leave. Promises are beautiful. All I got is make believe. Wounded spirit interrupted.
You getting confused and convoluted with the facts. You running off at the mouth like wax a candle. Lit the scandal, and you're so perfect, leaving our brother feeling worthless. Stepped on, beaten down, weak. What? You didn't think it wasn't gonna hurt? You look at destruction, beaten down, lit. Time the deciding factor. Even if after you still deceive the one who believes.
Broken promise and dishonesty. Promise broken. Can you feel me? Father leaves his son
Then the deception, the bitter pill.
when the vows are done.
It doesn't mean some union.
You empty all your lies on me.
And the certain cups bleed, sooner or later you will bleed.
Pain comes to be. Should I go high? Broken promise and dishonesty. Promise broken. Can you feel me? Broken. Should we feel that?
Yeah.
Oh,
We need something.
Chorus again. There we go.
Right?
No, I'm into the different.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, wrong one.
Falling deeper.
So wait, let me do that one. So the very last chord. You don't know. Oh, just deeper, deeper. Hypnotized as the wise for the ones to feel you. Just get deeper. I am consumed with how you are looking at me. That's where we lost it last time.
Can't
We
need us.
I love you.
That's on
Everything, me and you.
Wow.
Go through anything, I don't care. I love you. Let me be the need to keep you happy. Ha ha! You are nothing. Sorry. Your feast on your grave. Falling deeper. I wait through the night just to watch you.
Picture used to be like soft holes in the ceiling wall, suffocate the feeling. I never wait till dig.
Die for you, live for two. I am in the cloud that you're making me see.
Chipping away at my travesty, wishing that you would come back to me. I can't take this anymore.
Wait,
More,
wait.
more, more.
I love you. That's on everything. Me and you. Go through anything. I don't care. I love you. Let me be the need to keep you happy. Love. That's on everything that ever was. Like my mama said, this day would come. I love you. Let me be the need to keep you happy.
Won't you come back to me? Feel my heartbeat. It beats for you. You know you want this. Don't deny it. You know you want this. Come on back to me. Come on back to me. Come on back to me. Ouch. I love you.
That's on everything. Me and you go through anything. I don't care. I love you. Let me be the need to keep you happy. Love. That's on everything that ever was. Like my mama said, this day would come. I love you. Let me be the need to keep you happy. The need
To keep you happy. Thank y'all for coming to the circus. Yeah.
Start again. Alright, so.
Yeah, y'all. We're raising sons. Yada yada yada. Thank y'all for coming out to the Acoustic.
Has anyone ever been broken down to the ground?
To the ground, all the way down to the
Giving up
ground.
your check when you ain't supposed to, you know what I'm saying? Giving up your keys when you know he or she ain't got no license. We talking about that kind of bullshit.
Take the license and rub it right through the crack.
Y'all remember
All
all
that.
that?
Put a candle in the booty.
I saw
I had it so off the chain. Turn it around, you turn it down, they walk it like a chicken cake. And the taste of you drives me insane.
And the
Many
hotel
positions
was
of many
a
thoughts to
super rate.
explain.
Tried to be patient, but I couldn't fake it.
Yes, it was.
Oral sensations of you on my mind.
Oh, yeah.
Planting your wisdom with sexual tension. Oh, the fuck is so hard to find.
Love it, lacy, so complacent. Do you understand what you do to me? It's obvious that you've been making plans to keep me on my knees.
Breaking me down.
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 Yeah. Let me tell you something. Clap for your nigga with his rapping ass. Throw a stack for your niggas with your rapping ass. Clap for your niggas with your rapping ass. Throw a stack. Yeah. Coming up, going down. Nah, we should do the hook.
Okay, just the time for it.
Yeah, time. Don't lie, check the scoreboard. Time for it. Fuck.
So it's just a one pass.
We'll just
right?
do. I'm sorry, we figured out what you know what I'm saying.
So this is at the end of at the end of that part. So it would be get ready.
I don't pop my rapping ass. Throw a stack for your niggas with your rapping ass. Stack for your niggas with your rapping ass. Throw a stack for your niggas with your ass. This the hook. I don't pop mollies, I rock time forward. International, bring back the Concord. Numbers don't lie, check the scoreboard. Pause. Time forward. Freaky. Yeah. If that didn't get your attention. Umbudu.
Retarded.
She had tangible assets.
Love the way you dress, caress the booty.
Well, switching, missing them thighs as I wave by.
Will I ever see her?
Yeah, she's married now. Yeah. And when he don't show, won't hurt. And when he don't show,
Come with.
I insert flirtatious tactics. I'm back kicked at the Cyber Cafe. Taking her back by the lava or java she was drinking. I'm thinking, better to wet it and get my twang on.
I know she never forgets, so let her
Swing it on. Cannibalistic, candlelight vintage. Persistent in the minute she about to go there with the sea. But I don't feel no shame, especially when she calls my name. Check it. I can't believe it. Guess what happened? This evening she was married. Me and him. Freaky, I can't conceive it. How she played with and teased it. She was married.
Doing me and him.
One more.
Free.
You didn't do it.
Married. Doing me and him.
Remember the hook?
Oh,
Freaky. Married. Believe
then
it.
guess what?
Happened this evening. She was married. Doing me and him.
Okay, doing me. Gotcha.
Freaky.
You go with the second verse?
Names have been changed to protect the innocent.
Oh, that's right. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're gonna do the do. Oh my God.
Oh, my. Oh, I thought I was doing the other part. My fault. And we'll be over and over and over and over. See, now you may deem this is wrong. This is the page we on. Thongs and stress. How could you not honor request? See, I don't feel no shame, especially when she calls my name. Check it. I can't believe it. Guess what happened? This evening she was married, doing me and him. Freaky, I can't conceive it. How she played with and teased it. She was married, doing me and him. Freaky, solo. You guys.
Ice cream sandwich.
Fuck.
You ready for the next part?
Uh-huh. Tell me when it comes in.
One more time too.
Go ahead. Y'all both doing some solos. Right.
Here we go.
Hey, now I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden sass, natural gravity in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Of them things in the sorrow. Something else is relevant to popular. That was my problem. I was in the dark room, bathroom, and it'll make the crowd move. I was to get fucked up, ended up my cup, it'll make the crowd move. Chasing by the minutes, and the record on repeat. Take a sip and another sip. Then somebody said to me, why you babysitting only 2 or 3 shots? I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you give this women room full of liquor, then you dive in it. Room full of liquor, then you dive in it. There's a few bottles and I watch it one fly. All the girls wanna blame, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Room full of liquor, then you dive in it. That's funky. So sick. Oh, then we do the names have been changed to button it?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it.
The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
That was bad.
That was dope, dude. I like that.
Okay, this is Cataclysm.
Check it. Shake it. Yeah, shake it. You gotta shimmy.
You are my own.
Take it. Go, T.
Caught in the days of unbelievable bullshit you go through. If you're ever related to
You, really there for you. Whoa. Spoken, unspoken, never cared to show. Is it really necessary to let them know how much you can despise and lie? You cry at night. Oh, why?
Once your life serves its purpose, will they love you honestly? Since our days are guaranteed, will you live them honestly? Is it really that to you? The life that you're going through,
Cause you wait for two, you're so beautiful. Whoa. So there be poisonous thoughts beginning to you. Evaporating the lies that you had was new. Leaving the lies to the points of view. It's a real tickle. Whoa. Shit.
this is your day.
What's
Your life
We're honestly speaking.
We're honestly speaking.
Honestly speaking. We're talking to you and you and you.
Now we're going to
American Idols. New Girl Next Door. Beat this. Analogically. Now I would never in my life ask you to do anything I wouldn't do myself. So stop with the insect. Bring the effect in bliss and honesty. Oh yeah. The Lord?
You see that?
I don't know if it was on that song.
It would be great if you sang some of these chords.
Yeah.
Another song. Let's say end it because you already got
With the Imagine Dragons vamp.
end.
Right.
How you gonna vamp? You gonna cue something? You're just gonna talk?
Oh,
You-
Thievery?
Say something, right?
Can we? There's no way to just go into it.
I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just go into that.
Yeah,
one. Just do 3 and then pause. Yeah.
And then that'll be the end of the collaboration section.
Oh, okay. That's the Imagine Dragons part.
Waking up, waking in, when my brow, when I sweat my rust, taking in the chemical. Taking up, feeling in, when my brow, I'm running out. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, my soul. Welcome in my bones. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm radioactive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm radioactive. Now, this is gonna end it. Da, da, da. You gotta put your hands in the air. Whoa, whoa.
Okay.
Da, da.
We still haven't figured out how to end that.
Cue the end.
All right.
Look at the picture.
And that's the
Boogity-doo.
end of the collaboration segment.
Now we go into how.
Alright.
Let me see.
Meanwhile, back to selling the Johnson. More and more.
Wow. You know how long it's been since I dealt with your bullshit.
Feel by the year, feel by the day. Whole thing the nails on never had to be. See what you. Why am I singing your verse? I what you get. Don't think why me. Everything's been the plan. Everything's in your hands. Waiting for you to let me breathe. I'm taking all that I can. Took away my vein. You take away my bill. Love's on the one month far. What was real? You don't know how good it feels to be without you. You don't know
You want to double it?
how good it feels to be without you. You don't know how good it feels to be without you. You don't know how good it feels. Vamp up into the room. Be without you. You took my soul. Tore it apart.
Yes, you did.
You let me go.
Again?
You took my heart. Two things of that, yeah. You took my soul. Tore it apart. Then let me go.
Here we go, ending.
You don't know how good it feels. You don't know how good it feels. You don't know how good it feels. You don't know how good it feels.
Get out there! Get out there! Feels real good. Get out there! Terrific.
You don't know how good. Nice.
Armand, you don't know. And now to end it up.
Did you remember Grant?
Yeah.
I ran into him at Target. He's my Facebook friend too. He's got a studio.
Really?
Yeah, I told him I'm going to invite him down to the shows.
Yes, sir.
Now, something in your brain is telling you that from the year is the year of being your bitch. Take it from the vision and vision, create a way to live it over, being a bitch.
I can't watch you.
It's amazing. I mama, just be crumbling, mama, the fun. Hey, you gotta do your main thing. We have to be your main thing. We have to be back to the other time, God.
Conversations come in ways.
Tell you what it's doing.
This is so addicting.
Really good. I would.
Every time you walk.
Every time. Drain the life out of me. And every time. Drain the life out of me. Why give you that stop? You bring your pressure when you contemplate and swinging from top. It's like a won't end. Fine life, living the show. I hope you show you don't understand this lyric, you know. Good what it shouldn't have been. It's show obey to how you can't find a deity to stay in the game. You're bringing me down, learn from less me get to know. You can't see the next competition, bar and flow. You may not be around. Especially when it's double face. When it's man addicted, feeling good, never would if. Every time. I said every time. Drain the life out of me, so once you let go every time. I said every time. Drain the life out of me, so once you let go. It is right through me. Lollipop Gill. Swing, swing, swing. Every time suffer independently, searching for your identity, cracking under pressure with friends and family, can't be that spirit will take every measure will break. Feeling the propaganda away, reveal the real you. What kind of rhythm?
I was doing it like, well,
Dude. Oh, you did? Oh,
Really
shit.
bad. 1, 2, 3, ouch.
Look, inside there is a mechanism being giving you life. It's gonna lead you. This is the way it be taking, giving you messages. You be giving the fed. Be gonna see through. Live, let live. Promises, promises. Quit lying to yourself. It's gonna be cool. What you gotta do is know that what you need to fix is still between you and your soul. You get your soul, cause every time. I say every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't let go every time. Oh, dude. Say every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't you let go every time. And every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't you let go.
Broadway?
And every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't you let go every time. And every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't you let go. Say every time. Drain the life out of me, so won't you let go. Every time I talk about it, every time. And every time, drain the life out of me, so won't you let go. Thank you.
Yeah.